Present. Well, so our today's lesson discussed is chapter 7 practice book. Practice book chapter 7 tense part 3. Tense part 3.
Okay, sir.
Perfect tenses. Perfect tenses. So tense part 3 we are discussing perfect tenses. And chapter 7 is due today. In practice book chapter 7 is due today. The topic is tense, perfect tenses. Tense part 3 perfect tenses. First perfect tense is present perfect. It refers to the completion of action in the present time, or it refers to the completion of action even in the past time. And past event, past action, which is relevant even in the present, it is felt in the present, it is equally important in the present. So in that case also we use present perfect tense. The structure is, S plus has, have, verb in the third form, and then O. I have cleaned my room. The teacher has finished the lesson. Okay, these are the examples of present perfect tenses. They have bought a car. You have seen, okay. Rabindranath Tagore. See this example. Rabindranath Tagore has written Gitanjali, or he has written the national anthem. So it was done in the past. It was done before independence, but it is written in the present perfect tense. You can understand why. Even a past action is written in the present perfect tense because it is felt, it is relevant in the present, it applies to the present, it is felt in the present. It is very important even for today. We discuss it. Okay, this is why even a past event, past action is written in the present perfect tense. Now, the second perfect tense is past perfect tense. Past perfect tense, children, you have written, it refers to the completion of action in the past time. Okay? It's a dual tense, double tense, dear. It discusses, it involves two actions back to back. It has two actions done back to back, the one after the other. Okay? The structure is S plus had. Okay? S plus had plus V3 plus O. And the second structure is S plus V2 because it's a dual tense, double tense. It has two tense forms. It has two verb forms. In the one you have had plus V3, and in the other one you have V2 only, V2. Okay? Example, the train had started before I reached the station. The train had started before I reached the station. I had reached school before the bell rang. Before the bell rang. She had cleaned the pot. देखो सब एग्जाम्पल्स को देख लो. They had bought a car. All these examples are in the past perfect tense. All these examples are in the past perfect tense, right? So these two tenses have already been discussed, and today let us discuss the third perfect tense, that is future perfect tense. Start writing. Get ready with your pen and paper, children. Get ready with your pen and notebook. Are you ready? Pen down. Future, the future perfect tense. The future perfect tense. It refers to, start writing, the future perfect tense refers to the completion of action It refers to the completion of action in the future time in the future time. Okay. Structure. Future perfect structure. I hope you all are writing, children. S plus, now I am dictating you the structure of the future perfect tense. S plus will have oblique shall have. S plus will have oblique shall have plus V3 plus O. Is it clear? Written. Examples. I shall have written a story. So compare your structure with the examples. The examples are as per the given structure only. So learn it, children, learn it. Memorize it. Try to understand it. All the three perfect tenses.
इतना लेट खाता तभी ना नेट खत्म हो जाता है.
तो जल्दी कर देना. Okay, next one. He will have completed his homework. Second example, next example. He will have completed his homework. ये लोग देख रहा है. They will have painted the walls. He will have completed his homework. They will have painted the walls. Next, the teacher will have taught the students tomorrow. Future time is given tomorrow. So this is an example of future time reference, future time example, future time expression, future time figure tomorrow, future time figure. The teacher will have taught the students tomorrow. नेक्स्ट, चूंकि चिल्ड्रेन चूंकि ये डुअल टेंस है तो इसमें आपको ये डुअल टेंस है तो इसमें आपको डबल वर्ब्स मिलेंगी और डुअल टेंस में फ्यूचर परफेक्ट के साथ किसका कॉम्बिनेशन होता है? फ्यूचर परफेक्ट के साथ सिंपल प्रेजेंट का कॉम्बिनेशन होता है। ठीक है बच्चे?
5 मिनट में जल्दी कंप्लीट।
हाँ हो जाएगा। लिखो, डुअल टेंस का एग्जाम्पल लिख लो। ये फ्यूचर परफेक्ट डुअल टेंस है। माई मदर विल हैव प्रिपेयर्ड डिनर बाई 8 PM। माई मदर विल हैव प्रिपेयर्ड डिनर बाई 8 PM। और डुअल टेंस का लास्ट में एग्जाम्पल है वी शैल हैव रीच्ड स्कूल बिफोर द बेल रिंग्स। देखो इसमें डुअल टेंस हो गया, एक हो गया,
अरे आपका पेन से होगा।
एक हो गया हैव रीच्ड, एक में हो गया हैव रीच्ड, शैल हैव रीच्ड, शैल हैव रीच्ड, और एक में हो गया रिंग्स। तो रिंग्स हो गया एक टेंस, शैल हैव रीच्ड हो गया पहला टेंस, ये दूसरा टेंस।